Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and secure your E-Trade account authentication, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the E-Trade website. Log into your E-Trade account with your username and password. Once you are logged in, locate the Preferences or Account Settings section from the main menu. Click on the Security tab within the settings. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or Two-Step Verification. Select that option to enable additional security for your account. You may be prompted to choose your method of authentication. E-Trade offers options such as receiving a code via text message, email, or using an authenticator app. If you choose text or email, enter the corresponding phone number or email address. If you opt for an authenticator app, download a reliable app such as Google Authenticator or Authy from your device's App Store. After installing the app, go back to the E-Trade website. Scan the QR code displayed on the E-Trade page using your authenticator app. This will link your E-Trade account to the app, allowing you to receive time-based codes. Once linked, enter the code generated by the app into the E-Trade field to verify setup. After verification, ensure that two-factor authentication is fully activated. You may wish to set up backup codes, which can be used if you lose access to your primary method of authentication. E-Trade will offer a set of codes to download or print. Store these codes in a secure location, away from prying eyes. You can also review any recent login activity within the security section for added peace of mind. If you experience any issues, consult *Trade's customer support for assistance. Logging out of your account after completing these steps helps protect your information. Remember to regularly update your password for enhanced security. This concludes the guide on securing your E-Trade account authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.